Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today is Friday. Unfortunately, I was going to make a video, but forgot my camera at my parents' house. So I didn't think I'd be making a video today, but after what happened on CING today, I just figured why not just make a lower production video. Sorry, you guys, but it's still going to be value-packed, jam-packed with good information. I don't even know what this video is really going to, how long it's going to be or anything, but I just want to really just cover this CING because this is something that I feel like more people don't understand, that these are the only kinds of stocks that you should be trading on most days, right? Not every day are you going to get a CING, okay? I did not think at all. Okay, I was trading basically in here. This literal chop fest, and let's go to the big one. And if you look on the daily, look at that solid price action. Yeah, this thing is not going to be listed in like the next year. Anyways, so yeah, I was trading this all the way in here. Okay, this is not high probability at all. Okay, at all. This is not ideal, okay? And that's what most of the market was this morning. Besides Tesla, that had a massive rip up from like 9:30 to 10, and that's a probably like 8 to 9 point rip. Besides Tesla, there really wasn't anything phenomenal, okay? You had your little Nvidia 2-point bounce. You had ES just grinding up, NQ grinding up. Still kind of choppy until 10. Kind of had Coinbase, was a really indication that Coinbase was going to move. Not really. Like, where would you even play? Maybe this like break and retest at 200, also like a bull flag. I guess. But you can also see that it's not really doing anything now, and that's pretty much the highest up stock on the day, right? It's up 3%. Everything else is down below that. So really nothing crazy. And yeah, so I was not expecting CING to be, after this massive spike up to 11.28, I was not expecting this to do anything. Okay, like I pretty much thought this is going to be the classic, whatever, get some action in the pre-market, yada yada yada, boom, die, and then just go on back down, right? However, all of a sudden at like 11 o'clock, we just got a super bid, and this thing just went berserk. Okay, now it's getting the rug pulled, but these are the kinds of stocks that you should be trading. And how do you find these kind of stocks? Well, what you can do is go to Webull, go to the markets, go to top gainers, boom. That's how I found it. I had no idea. I don't even know why this thing is up. I have zero idea why CING, Singulate Inc., no idea what the company does, no idea who the CEO is, no idea why it's up, but it's up like 118%. Thinkorswim says it's up 240%, okay? But yeah, so that's how you can find these stocks. But I just want to come on here and say this is what kind of stocks you guys need to be trading, okay? And yes, I was pushing for futures a lot earlier in the year, okay? I had a lot of good experiences with futures for a long time. And even today, it's not bad. We're up 80 points from that low, or 40 points. However, even this on ES, or let's go to NQ, it's just not that great. Okay, it's just not that great. Yes, there are times on indices and futures where, if we go to the daily, remember how there was supposed to be a recession, I believe last Monday? Remember that? Yeah, the whole little recession thing. Oh yeah, I don't know what the hell anyone was ever talking about. I mean, like, are you kidding me? But these 3 days, you best believe futures was the move. Futures was the play, okay? This is when futures are in play. Not here, not there, not all through here. This is where futures are in play. Okay, look at this. Look, let's get an exact count. Over 200 points in the range just on ES. Just on ES. That is mental. That is absolutely insane. Okay? That is when you should be trading futures. But every other day, when you have stuff that's up 250%, yeah, you probably want to be trading stuff more like this. And of course, guys, again, there was zero guarantees that like this was going to pop off and go to 20. I did not think this would happen at all. Okay? At all. I mean, I was done for the day. Yeah, most of these small caps only have one good run a day, then just fade off. At 10:21 today. 40 minutes later, and so 10:20 was basically here at around the bottom, just saying, yeah, it's probably just going to fade off. And then it catches a bid, catches another bid, and just absolutely flies. Flies through this short congestion, breaks out of 11, squeezes that high again, and then you can see just squeeze up to the moon, got halted, opened, killed bulls, and then trapped shorts, and just ripped it up again and again and again and again and again. So this is the kind of stuff that you need to at least be watching, right? I would not have taken this off my watch list, you know? I would not have taken CING and replaced CING with like Reddit or Costco or Amazon or AMD or something, okay? This actually is one of the highest probability setups of the day. Okay, besides like Tesla, maybe that could have done a nice rebound and kind of is, whatever. CING is the play of the day. Like just flat out, it is the play of the day. And this is the kind of stuff that you guys just have to be watching. I get it. Most days you're not going to have anything close to this action. All right? A lot of days on small caps, you'll have to fight for every little dime. Okay? Trading and watching this action was actually ridiculous. All right? The liquidity was really not that great. Price would jump around like 10 cents at a time. It would just dump, get bid back up instantly. Just wild, crazy price action. So I'm not saying that like you're a bad trader if you didn't watch this, play this. I didn't. I had no idea that this was going to happen. But what I'm saying is this is the kind of stuff that has the highest probability chance to go pull a 200% move, right? The stuff that's like 1, 2, or 3 is most likely going to be the highest probability that's going to have a chance at pulling this like supernova move, right? And again, of course, you could play quite a few different strategies all through here on the breakout. But yeah, guys, CING, winner of the day today for sure. Again, you had your average Coinbase play, Nvidia, Tesla. Tesla looked the best before CING, but now CING definitely looks the best. But guys, this is why you have to play stuff that is in play. Okay, you are not going to find long-term success if you are trading names like Roku. Right? If you're trading Roku, okay, you're not gonna find long-term success. Okay, something like Shopify. Yeah, I think Shopify had a decent move last week or something, decent play. Maybe they had earnings, something like that. But you can't play them every single day. All right, like not every single stock is going to have a play every single day. I mean, even like SMCI. Sure, this wasn't bad, but look at that. Could have gotten in here, went up, boom, stopped out. Boom, stopped out. Boom, I mean, just chop all throughout the day. And that's the same thing that happened on CING, okay? I'm not saying that CING was even a good stock to play. But if you play those stocks in anticipation, okay, I was anticipating CING in here squeezing this 11 level. Okay, I got out here. Okay, when it broke up, because I knew, and especially from seeing all of this action right here, I was like, okay, every single time you can see the insane amount of wicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, just ridiculous amount of wicks that was holding this stock up. Okay, you could see there were buyers trying to keep it up, and it was not going to say obvious, but it was just a very, very high probability chance that we were going to squeeze up and break 11. Okay, why? Because we had two little taps here where buyers got long and shorts got short and created this little wall at 11 to break. And then we just ping-ponged pretty much between 10.6 and 10 or like 9.5 on some candles. So where do you think the biggest point of control level is going to be? Probably at 11. Okay, for shorts, this is not even up that great. Like, besides take out this crazy little pre-market thing, this is just like, this is just not, it's the same action. It's actually terrible. Like, bulls could barely take control at all. Okay, but that's how I played CING. All right. And yeah, and then get out here, and I had no idea that this massive, almost 100% move was going to happen. And that's fine, because you're never going to catch from 10 to 19.77 and get out perfectly. And if you do, you're going to wish you did it with 10x more size. All right, so you'll never be able to win on every single trade. But again, cannot stress to you guys how important it is to trade and identify the tickers, the stocks that have the highest probability of pulling a move like this. All right, so this is at like 12 minutes. Not going to cut any of this, just off the rip. But really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys were able to get some value out of it. And again, just remember to just look for the CINGs, right? Don't go trading Mara, McDonald's, Disney. Trade CING. And again, it's so easy. So easy. Just open this up. It'll be sorted every day. Just scan through here. Look at anything that has volume. The best ones will usually be at the top. That is really all you got to do. It is very, very basic to just scan for good stocks. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I do got a free Discord, link is in the description. Not going to sell you anything there, but as you saw earlier in the video, I just call stuff out as I see it. If you want to join, great. If you don't, no problem. If you guys like the video, just make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.